Here is a quick review of the HP printer. I will show you how to change the ink and then get right into the printing process. The ink gets changed right in here. This would be your color, that would be your black. You fold this up to close it, you pull this down to open it. It does hold around 45 to 60 pages inside the slot. This printer is highly effective, and it does come with the extension slots out here. It does print pretty fast for the quality of the printer. As you can see, it gets the job done very fast. It is not a bulky printer. This is the side view. The ink does last, on average, I would say about a month and a half to 3 months, depending on your usage. We hope this video helps, because there are so many options. You can photocopy from here, you can print front and back. This printer does connect to Wi-Fi, and you do not need the app, but the app will make the process easier. To set it up, it literally takes less than 5 minutes once you get it all plugged in. We hope this video helps.